A trend has been observed in recent years wherein criminals from the state of Gujarat appear to be treating Goa as a safe haven. This week, not only were 4 accused natives of Gujarat arrested by the Goa Cyber Crime Police for operating a fake call center from a rented house at Karmali, but the Cyber Center of Excellence Unit of Gujarat Police in a raid at Arpora were also arrested 8 accused natives of Gujarat for allegedly committing cyber fraud and scams amounting to over 77 crore rupees. In both cases, the modus operandi of these criminals was to operate from Goa while targeting victims in other states or even other countries. The gang operating from Arpora was primarily targeting people from Gujarat, whereas the criminals arrested from Karmali were targeting American nationals and cheating them through a payday loan scam. Earlier as well, gangs from Gujarat were operating in Goa and were trapping businessmen from Gujarat in false rape cases, extorting money from them on the pretext of settling such cases. However, after Goa Police exposed the false rape case racket and arrested key accused persons involved in 4 to 5 such false rape cases, these gangs stopped operating from Goa. Similarly, following a crackdown on cricket betting gangs from Gujarat last year, no cases of cricket betting have been reported so far during the ongoing IPL season. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.